everyone, welcome to New Sphere. For this project, we are going to be making maple cinnamon spiced nuts. You will need 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 3 cups of pecans, 2 cups of almonds, a half cup of sugar or sugar replacement, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of nutmeg. You will also need a large bowl for all of your wet ingredients, a whisk. A rubber spatula works really well to spread everything onto your cooking sheet. You will also need a large cooking sheet lined with parchment paper, and you can set that aside. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients. We have a half cup of sugar, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of salt. You can use your whisk to mix it all together. And set that aside. Next, you're going to use your large bowl, and you're going to want to whisk your egg whites with your maple syrup until it's frothy. When your maple syrup and egg whites are frothy and combined, you will add your 2 cups of almonds and 3 cups of pecans. Your rubber spatula works really well to coat everything evenly. Then you want to pour your dry ingredients over top of your nuts and mix again. The last step is to spread out the nuts all across your large cooking sheet. You're going to put this into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and I would stir occasionally so the nuts don't burn. After that, your house is going to smell wonderful, and you will have a healthy, sneaky treat to give to your family. Your kids are going to love it, and you will love the nostalgia of having this wonderful smell in your home. I hope you enjoy these maple cinnamon spiced nuts as much as my family does. I hope you have a great day.